Kids, now we are going to see the puppet show. Puppet show எதுக்கு பண்ண போறோம் தெரியுமா? Yes, for the value creativity. Are you ready, kids? Yay, super. Kids, if you are in any difficult situation, if you are creative, then you can win in any situation. Okay? நம்ம எப்படி இருக்கணும் எப்பயுமே creative-ஆ இருக்கணும். Then we can win. Okay, I'm going to tell you a story for creativity. Ready, kids? Okay. Scene 1. This is Ram. And this is Ram's teacher. Hi. Hi. One day in Ram's school, his teacher announced a drawing competition. Ram wants to participate in the competition. So Ram என்ன பண்ண போறாரு? அந்த drawing competitionல participate பண்ண போறாரு. Scene 2. Ram went home and informed about this competition to his parents. Mom, Dad, I want to participate in the drawing competition. Very good, Ramu. Do well. And be creative. Sure, you will win the prize. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. Scene 3. Next day, Ramu is eagerly waiting for the competition. Ramu's ma'am listed all the instructions. Ram started to draw a peacock. While coloring, he came to know that he forgot a green color. Oh, peacock color பண்ணனும்னா green color வேணும்ல kids? ஆமாதானே? Yes. ஓய்யோ, ராமு green color மறந்துட்டான். Ramu became very sad. இப்போ என்ன பண்ணலாம்? Ramu started to thinking about his parents' advice. Parents என்ன சொல்லிருந்தாங்க? Ramu's parents to be creative. To be creative. Ramu got that idea. What's that idea? He mixed up the blue color and yellow color. Blue color and yellow color, if we mix, what we will get? We will get the green color. Super. He becomes very happy and he finished his coloring fastly. Super. Then what happened? He happily submitted his drawing to his ma'am.
To announce the result that the first place goes to Ram.
Clap your hands!
Ram was very happy. He jumped up the joy. Hooray! Hooray! So, kids, Ram was very creative. In this difficult situation also, he didn't lose. How did it? என்ன பண்ணா green color இல்லையே blue கலரையும் yellow கலரையும் mix பண்ணி green color கொண்டு வந்தால is very creative, right? That's what? Kids, you should be very creative. Then you can win in any situation. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.